I got this camera from eBay. The light seal was replaced, it's said to be in perfect condition. It fires, the flash works, but it was never tested with film. I have never shot film in my life, I didn't know what to expect, and it shows. I was a bit all over the place, like, come in a crime scene. It's a 1982 autofocus Pentax compact point and shoot. I believe it was the first ever autofocus compact camera Pentax made, and I put it under the test to see what the first generation is capable of, and if actually all features are in working condition. These features are the flash, that we know that it works, the autofocus with the needle indicator in the viewfinder, the backlight compensation, which overexposes by 1.5 stop, the film speed slider to manually set the ISO, and the self-timer. As the first shot of the day, I would say that it's not bad. It's definitely too dark because I started very early in the morning and there wasn't enough light. But I also encountered the first mechanical issue with the camera. The release button gets stuck randomly and then it fires when the button gets unstuck. So you can get amazing shots of the ground or wherever you are pointing to. And that's exactly what happened once again. There was a nice composition of the bridge, runners going over, but then I thought I forgot to advance the film, so I fired for a third time. And that's when the button got stuck again. So I decided this is a nice opportunity to gather my thoughts and have breakfast. I have never seen snails this big, they were like half the size of my fist. I can almost imagine the French licking all their fingers looking at this. And they are right to do so. On some of the images I noticed that the middle is a bit lighter. Is this static discharge on the film? Am I cranking the advancing hog too much? I was always interested in shooting film. I see it as a mixture of technical skills and artistry. For a long time it was very intimidating, because there is almost no room for mistakes and you pay a price for it, literally. But everything is getting more and more expensive by the minute, so there won't be a better time to start. And by the way, while I was walking, I just received the biggest compliment. There was this old lady with her husband, or lover, I don't know, I don't judge. and she kind of scared her husband because she was yelling, "Look, honey, there's a photo artist coming." And I was like, God damn.
I don't really know where I'm going. My eyes can only see so far. I hate when the path feels uncertain, but I'll do anything to get to where you are. And I will find a way to overcome the distance that is between us. I have come so far, and now I see to get to you, I must find me. There are times I am discouraged. I'm too broken to figure it out. I'm too stuck on the wrong destination, but I'll do anything to turn it all around. And I will find a way to overcome the distance that is between us. I have come so far, and now I see to get to you, I must find me. To get to you, I must find me. And I will find a way to overcome the distance that is between us. I have come so far, and now
In the harsh midday sun, it was the perfect chance to try, which is for me the hardest to pronounce for some reason, the film speed slider. And it also works. Overexposed, it's lighter, less grainy. Box speed, you get a nice balance in the highlights and some details in the shadows. Then underexposed, the shadows are just gone, like my will to live on a Monday morning when your email finds me. I would say this is my favorite shot of the roll, because it's giving Renaissance painting, like we are walking the greyhounds, then going to the horse racing tracks to sip some brandy. I just wish it wasn't 35mm, but at least 50, so you get more detail, but it's a vibe nonetheless. I didn't record when I was testing the backlight compensation button because I was in a hurry to catch the bus home, but it works and it's a brilliant feature. The sun was in front of me, just outside the frame to the left, and really exposed correctly for a backlit subject. There is a lot more detail in the shadows than just shooting at box speed. And now only one thing remains on the test list: the self-timer.